We have different kinds of model of pen, midstream. Different model will have different price. This is we can do OEM. We produce your brand, your design for you. You can choose your favorite model. For the cassette, we also have different design for the cassette. You also can choose. I show you. This is our cassette. Different design. You can choose. Dear customer, we also accept OEM order. We have produced many brands of pregnancy test, HIV test, automation test. If you want to do your brand, I would like to tell you our MOQ. For midstream, our MOQ is about 20,000. For cassette, our MOQ is 30,000 pieces. For strip, our MOQ is 200,000 pieces. So we expect you make you order to us about your brand. We can produce at a very good quality and a very good price. Thank you.